Hello YouTube, it's Runningpokemans, and today I'm going to be opening up another one of these 3-pack things with Plasma Storm, Plasma Freeze, and Next Destinies. Got one more, so be opening that probably next, then I'll be uploading the 3 boxes I was talking about in the last video, but definitely make sure to check out the last video. I got a pretty cool card out of that one, so make sure to check that one out. And if you guys don't know already, Pokemon's doing a thing for Pokemon Sun and Moon. You have to go to the I don't remember what it's called. You have to register for something in the game on the Festival Plaza, I think is what it's called. So here's the promo Wigglytuff. And then you have to go to the computer and participate in the event. And if everyone catches over 1 million Pokemon, I think is what the number was for Pokemon, everyone gets 1,000 festival points. And here's the Pikachu coin. And then even if you participated and everyone didn't get over 1,000, I can't talk today. Over 1,000. Whoever participates gets 100 festival points. I can't even talk now. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this pack. Hoping for a Professor Juniper out of the Plasma Freeze, so we'll open up that one. The full art one. Sky Arrow Bridge, Vanillish, Jigglypuff, Fungus, Blitzel, Meowth, Grammar, Pansage, Reverse Zapdos, and a Muck, regular rare. Let's go Plasma Storm. There's the code. The 3. Okay, so we got Colress Machine, Grottle, Magneton, Clink, Riolu, Lotad, Purloin, Chimchar, Reverse Purloin, and an Infernape regular rare. Not regular rare, hollow. Okay, so hopefully get something out of this Plasma Freeze pack. Okay, there's the code. Okay, so got Jolteon, Mawile, Lampent, Nidoran Female, Weedle, Grimer, Litwick, Mask, Starly doesn't look like it's ultra rare, and a Hariyama regular rare. So only good card of this opening was this Infernape Hollow. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links below in the description. I'll see you guys soon with opening another one of these, of this one. The last one, and then I'll start opening boxes again. So see you guys then.